Welcome to Dream Car Views, where we bring you the latest and most exciting vehicles. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 John Deere pickup truck. John Deere is known for its powerful tractors, but now they're entering the pickup truck market. Can this new beast compete with Ford, Chevy, and Ram? Let's find out. This truck looks just as tough as John Deere's famous tractors. The signature green and yellow color makes it instantly recognizable, while the bold front grille and LED headlights give it a modern touch. It has large all-terrain tires and high ground clearance, making it perfect for off-road adventures or heavy-duty farm work. Now, let's talk about PO. The 2025 John Deere pickup comes with a 6.6L V8 diesel engine producing around 500 horsepower and a massive 1000 Nm of torque. There's also a hybrid option available for better fuel efficiency without compromising on towing power. So, do you think it can challenge the Ford F-250 and Ram 2500? Let me know in the comments. Step inside, and you'll see that John Deere has combined comfort with functionality. The truck features a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, and a 360-degree camera for better visibility. One of the coolest features, the Farmer Mode, designed specifically for those who work in tough outdoor conditions. If you love off-roading, this truck won't disappoint. It comes with an advanced 4x4 system, low-range gears, and even a deep water fording mode for extreme conditions. The truck bed is built tough, just like a John Deere tractor, making it perfect for carrying heavy loads, whether it's farm equipment or construction materials. Now, let's talk about the price. The base model of the John Deere pickup is expected to start at $65,000, while fully loaded versions could go up to $85,000. So, what do you think? Is this truck worth the price? Would you buy a John Deere truck over a Ford or Chevy? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Car Views. We'll be back with more amazing car reviews. See you in the next video. Happy driving.